Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn Swagbucks by playing games. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Swagbucks application on your device, and once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password or your Google account. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page. From here you can tap on play at the bottom menu, and you will now see various different games that you can play in order to make Swagbucks. Now look at the various different games and the requirements as well as the rewards that they are offering. It is suggested that you start with the lower rewards, as these are easier games. When you tap on the game, you will see the requirements that you will need to fulfill. So you can tap on the Get Now button in order to start the installation for the game. After you install the game, you can reach the various different milestones that will give you your Swagbucks as a reward on your account. So within this particular game, when you reach level 5, you will get 1 Swagbuck reward, and if you reach level 10, you will get 5 Swagbucks as your reward, and it will keep on increasing consecutively until you have reached the entire amount displayed within the game advertisement. And there you have it. That is how you can play games in order to make Swagbucks within your account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.